Smile for Grandma. Look at... Hi, Grandma. Are you stinky, Zoe? Are you a stinky little girl? You stinky? Huh? Are you stinky? Are you happy? Huh? Come on, say... Tell us some more. Tell us some more, love. Do you like your hat? Ooh, the pretty flower hat? Do you like the flower? You like your shoes for sure. She's definitely showing us her baby shoes. Look. Oh, we love our ballet slippers. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And then what happened? And then? What happened then? What happened after that? And then? Does she talk? Louder, honey. I can't hear you. Louder. And then what happened? And then what happened? This is about when she spits up. And then? And then? My mom's gonna love me. Say hi, Grandma. Grandma. Oh, my hand's coming off, Mom.
Too cute.
You're smiling. Oh. Tell me more. So pretty. She loves her daddy. Yeah? Tell me, how much you love your daddy. Yeah? You love your daddy? You love your daddy? So much to say, just like her mommy. Uh-oh. I'm sorry, Grandma. We're going to have another talker. Mom and Zoe are going to be competing for who can talk the most, I think. Hee-hee-hee. Come on. Yeah? And then? Okay, you want me to pick you up? You want me to pick you up? Or sing to you? ¿Quieres que te canto, mi amor? Huh? ¿O te levanto? ¿Te cargo? Oh. And now something in Spanish, honey. Háblanos en español, por favor. Tienes que hablar los dos idiomas, mi niña bilingüe. Okay. So funny. Okay, I'm gonna pick her up. Look at her little kicking.